Hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome back.
We're now in this place known as Gardens of Kiev, which is situated in Light Ringau.
This is Ahmad.
Ada beneran nanti apa?
Kani cakap awak itrat.
Jangan keluar.
Dan ski spot. Teh, masuk mana warna?
Semua pengat. Somsem shit bro ujak kepor.
Syamsid ko na pa.
Nomor ba? Jan bakla po isam ujak kasum sim.
Ta, kau biang. Ya. Ya.
Mau kendo.
Udi, pitnya. Jaka rik slap.
Come on. Kabalap in 2025.
Mentah kasi Sterik Januari.
Kakram berang kemar.
Udi.
2019.
Oh, 4 paisa man eh.
Wait.
Tu gimana?
Kram berang silap kemar. Tidak ada dendek itu. Start perlu baksanya nanti kok.
Ya.
Oi, what?
Ya. Adin sepoi pat sawi jaka.
Kram berang silap kemar. Come on. You got a lot to explore more and more.
Tenat. Jauh tu lah. Di spot. Sama. Ya.
Okay.
Biar dam tu lah. Syadam.
Yang untuk ini bahaya.
Oh, badum ada. Nak mi sabar.
Spot
Ksatidi.
number 5. As you can see, there are many natural vegetations here because we're in high altitudes, which means the higher the altitude, the lower is the air pressure. So you find so many different types of natural vegetations, plus flora and fauna. So now we're gonna explore this new, what do you
Okay.
say,
Ya.
root bridge, waterfall root bridge. They call it like that because I think it is interconnected with the roots of the trees. Lift the root and the water is coming at the same time. So my friends, since it's winter, that's why there's not much water, as you can see, because in winter it is dry and not moist as it is in summer. If you come in summer, it will be like this.
Ksat luai.
This is the spot number 6.
Okay.
Spot number 6. Come on. So hi guys, we've reached to that spot number 6. That shot, which is coming from another park. We can walk under the waterfalls. As you can see, we can walk under the waterfalls. But since it's winter, so there's not much waterfalls.
Yeah,
If you come in summer, then there will be so much waterfalls.
in reality we
In
don't.
winter, it is dry. As I have said, it is dry. In summer, it is moist.
Yeah.
We'll come back again on summer.
Let's see that waterfall.
Like the tea,
Luai Falls. We've reached the destination.
Reach our destination.
Okay, let's go that way. Jauh ah.
As you can see that the waterfall is not as much as we expected it to be because this is winter. We'll come back in summer. That's again. As you can see guys, this is the spot number 7, also known as Shad Asdat. Because why is it called that name? Because it has been divided into 2 parts by one stone. One stone from the cliff, it has been divided into 2 parts.
Sebarsa.
Oh, toilet.
Yo.
This waterfall can describe 2 things in our life. It can be divided into 2 parts of our life. Whether it is the right part or the wrong part.
Transport.
You have to choose any part. As you can see from here, it has been divided into 3 parts, which doesn't make any sense. So just let's go.
Okay. To the spot. The other spot.
Well now it's
And
saying
the
that,
exit.
well now it's saying that Lakot, that means it has ended, but actually it isn't.
Monkeys over there. Look at the monkeys. That monkey.
Yeah, this guy, this cameraman never dies, but I think he'll be the first one to die.
That monkey. Oh.
So now we're going to go to the next spot, which is known as the heart, or it is formed by the heart by nature. Actually, it is formed by nature to prove that nature also have heart and show sympathy.
Yeah, yeah. So,
This is the next spot.
Mau Kulum.
Mawdohnud.
Mau Kulum.
Here it says
This is rock.
Mawdohnud.
Covered by Mother Nature. Blah 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 blah. No. Oh.
As you can see, this graph rock, it is in the form of a baby, or we can say that this baby is still in the womb of her mother, of its mother. So,
Of her mother.
belum bikin tenis now.
Oh, okay.
So let's go on the next spot.
Oh, so aku boleh mah.
Now we're on to our next spot. Just look at the beauty of this from here. I told him to look the other way, but he looked the other way. This damn cameraman. Let's go.
Cameraman. Never lie and never
I
die.
want to tell you more about the children. I mean the baby in the rock.
Down there.
It is related that it has been formed naturally, which is not formed by human being, but it is formed naturally by the mother nature.
Okay.
So it is still a phenomena about geographical phenomena that it occurs like that to happen. So now we're gonna go on our next spot, and it will be more interesting.
Okay, I see. Wow, what a step. One mistake, your leg gone.
Look, this is also natural. It is very nice. This is for those travelers who are obesity. You know, right? Obesity are those patients or people that have gained weight too much, which have you know, that like that, you know.
Okay, okay.
Means
Let's see to the other spot.
It is for lazy people to sit on because they cannot walk. Now we're into our 10th spot,
Umdawai.
which is Umdawai, also known as medicinal water. As you can see in our culture, or Khasi culture, we have used most of the Earth's resource, or we can say Mother Nature's gift to fulfill our needs now. So this water also we can known as medicinal water, because in the ancient time, or we can say in the old time, we Khasi people or the Khasi tribe have used this medicinal water to purify themselves, or to make themselves.
Okay, not too serious. Not too serious. Or else we'll be bored. Right, guys?
You see these are also bamboo bridge, which is very famous in our state, Meghalaya state.
They made it natural. Okay.
This bridge is also one of the spot, also known as the number 9 spot of this place. Before, when we came here, they asked us money like that to get inside.
Yeah.
The height is very far from here. As you can see, the cameraman showed them.
Oh.
We're walking in trees. We're walking in trees with the help of trees. Can you imagine that? We're walking on trees.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
हम लोग अपना गाड़ी चला के जाएंगे.
Yeah. Atang hisap. Nih, kene umdawai.
Hah?
Ta.
Kami hintay.
This is medicinal water.
It comes from here.
Oh, ketiang nak.
Tiang. Masih orang tiang.
Tiang.
Long pila bên nhà pet ka one up okram. Cầm đi ra ka ba one half này này tama ka one up okram.
Tanah uftan.
Ni so can read kan no 1 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Biang.
Welcome, Mawdohnud. Mawdohnud.
Mawdohnud means heart in Khasi.
Yeah.
As you can see that this heart shape, it is perfectly natural. So you can go cameraman zoom.
Tu, jangan. Tenar dah Mawdohnud.
0.2 out of 10.
Gas.
Emang di baklawan petlang. Baklawan petlang. Di baklawan por liar, kam head slap.
That's why Mawdohnud is for couples only.
Couples. For
That's
us,
why.
it will be a
That's why we sing.
broken one.
It's not meant for us.
Not my forest.
It's not meant for us. Entah yang apa siya bakot. Kantinti pengirung. Ina minta lah ini. Te kat ko ngajak experience
Subang.
Ya,
Setelah tu, pengat tu, kedua tu, nomor di petlang.
best place to experience 10 out of 10. Kan college ru.
Kan college. Cause we know, we don't know.
So dah the foreigners can travel
Can come
here,
visit here.
come visit our state. Life boy. Dah sekenduk pat boy par.
The entry fees,
Which one?
the entry fees will be approximately $1.20. It is very cheap, and you can have 11 spots. 11 spots we have continue. So now we're gonna go and continue our journey back at home. Goodbye.
See you guys.